Hello everyone, you are most welcome to my channel Tech for Advice. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to enable developer mode in Google Chrome. So firstly open Google Chrome for enable developer mode. Now click this three dot. Now click on more tools and here is the developer tools. Click this one. So in developer tool you will get all the information about a specific page. For example, if you're running any website like this, it's my website Tech Pro Advice. So in developer tool you will see the elements, concern, source, network and performance, and in element style, DOM, breakpoint and properties. Console you will see the all information in developer tool about a specific website if you want to know, and easily if you want to capture screen, so click this one, capture screenshot. So this is the developer mode or developer tool in Google Chrome. I hope you like this video and you know how to enable developer tool in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.